Welcome to Auto Drive, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews, expert analysis, and all the latest updates from the automotive world. If you're passionate about cars and love staying ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the stylish and modern 2026 Volkswagen Beetle, a car that blends iconic heritage with contemporary features. This model brings a refreshed design with sleek curves, compact body lines, and a character that's impossible to miss on the road. Designed for both nostalgic fans and new-age drivers, the 2026 Beetle offers something unique in the compact segment. Under the hood, the 2026 Beetle comes equipped with a responsive engine option, with choices like a fuel-efficient inline-4 or a more powerful turbocharged variant depending on the trim. Engine displacement varies, producing solid horsepower and torque figures that deliver both performance and economy. Transmission options include smooth shifting automatics and manual gearboxes for those who enjoy a more hands-on driving experience. Depending on the model, it offers front-wheel drive for daily comfort and traction. Inside, you'll find a well-crafted cabin with a seating capacity for 4. Materials range from premium cloth to optional leather upholstery, and top trims come with features like heated and cooled seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and ambient lighting. The dashboard integrates modern infotainment, including a touchscreen system, Bluetooth, GPS navigation, and voice command functions. Other conveniences like cruise control, power windows, keyless entry, and even a sunroof add to the Beetle's charm. On the outside, this coupe-style body sits on a stable wheelbase, offering balanced dimensions and agile handling. It features updated LED lighting, alloy wheels, and optional chrome accents for added flair. The suspension system is tuned for comfort with independent setup, and handling is precise thanks to rack and pinion steering. Safety features include multiple airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, and a reinforced frame for added protection. There are also special edition trims that feature unique colors, interior accents, and performance upgrades including sport suspension or larger wheels. For those who appreciate attention to detail, the 2026 Beetle stands out with its retro-modern fusion. If you've enjoyed this review and want more content like this, don't forget to like the video and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Subscribe to Auto Drive for more expert insights and vehicle breakdowns. Stick around till the end to catch a visual gallery and trim comparison to help you choose the perfect Beetle model for you.